Good morning, respected parents and dear students. I am Rakesh Shinde, class teacher of Standard 3rd A and English subject teacher. I hope you all are fine. From today, I am going to start online teaching. What is online teaching? Online teaching means teacher will teach the topic and send video on your parents' mobile. That you have to observe it and listen it very carefully. Now, be ready with your pencil and notebook. Today, I am teaching you basic of English in oral and written form. Dear students, understand it and concentrate on teaching. Topic for today is A to Z alphabets in cursive. There are 26 alphabets altogether. From A to Z, I repeat, there are 26 alphabets altogether. So let us count in number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. I repeat, there are altogether A to Z 26 alphabets, capital in cursive writing. So, I will give you one example. For example, your name, surname and your father's name you can make and write it with the help of these alphabets A to Z. For example, Rahul. R-A-H-U-L. Rahul. From where I took the Rahul and R from where I took from R from here. From the alphabets. Then A, where is A? A is over here. Then A. Then where is H? H is over here. Then where is U? U is over here. And where is L? L is over here. So by this way, from the capital alphabets A to Z, you can form your name, your father's name and your surname. So this way we are going to learn these alphabet words. They are also called alphabets words. So we can form so many words, 2 letter, 3 letter, 4 letter and some sentences because of this capital alphabet A to Z cursive letters.
Cursive writing A to Z. Capital letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Dear students, now we will learn together how to read and pronounce each alphabet and form different words. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Let us learn and revise these alphabets thoroughly.
That's all, my dear student. Thank you.